Hey y'all, today I'm going to show you how I install a half wig and make it look natural. First, I prep my hair by washing it, and then I add leave-in for a little bit of extra moisture. Next, I blow dry my hair because I didn't want wet hair under a wig. Then I flat twisted my hair all over, and the two twists in the front would be my leave out, and I put my part on the side for a better natural look. Now it's time to pin the hair down, so I cross it over in the back, and then I'm going to pin it in the front so I can get it as flat as possible. Then I put my wig cap on, and you can buy one of these from your local beauty supply store. This is really the only protective style that I do because it allows me to take the wig off easily and wash my hair and do what I have to do, and then just put it back on if I want to. So all of the wig details would be in the description box below, but I did purchase this from Amazon for about $20 I think, and I will put that link in the description box as well. But this wig is a synthetic wig, so it's not meant to wear for weeks and weeks at a time and think it's still gonna look good. Like, I use it for special occasions only. Before you put the wig on, you want to run your fingers through it and shake it out so you can, wow, can't talk like usual. But you want to shake it out and run your fingers through it so it can get rid of that like shiny synthetic look, because we not trying to let nobody know that we got this off Amazon. Alright, so when you put the wig on, make sure the front clip is right behind where your part is, so you can like pull your hair over to the side and make it, you know, blend a little better. So next I blow dried my leave out because I want it to look as silky as possible, because our goal is to make this half wig look like it ain't a half wig. Okay, right here is where I realized that I left too much out on this side, so I'm just going to twist that part up and then put it inside my wig cap. Okay, I put the wig back on, and now we're going to work on blending in my real hair. So, I ain't never used a one curler before, so that's why I look scared in this video. But all you're going to do is one curl your leave out, and if you don't want to use heat, just use the gray perm rods because it works the same. I just didn't have time for the perm rods to set in my hair. So after you blend your curls in, you're just going to lay your edges with some edge control. The one I used was trash, so I ain't even going to tell y'all which one it was. But use the edge booster. Is that what it's called? Hold on. Yes, it's called edge booster. Get that gel and get the green one because I think it works the best and it smells really good. Alright, so these are the final results. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you think you're going to try a half wig, let me know in the comments down below. And I will see y'all next time.